So exchange user is now I logged in as a exchange user. So Arunachal Pradesh exchange team I logged in. So if you look at the tickets menu, first one is all tickets, next one is my tickets, misassigned tickets and resolved tickets. What is all tickets? All tickets means whatever the links belongs to my area or my exchange area, it will show in the all tickets for the exchange user. If I am a SSA user, whatever be the false, whatever the false in my SSA, it will show in all tickets. Okay. But what is the difference between all tickets and my tickets? Suppose my tickets means whatever the tickets pending with my team, it will show in my tickets. So if you look at here dashboard, there are totally 7 false. 7 false belongs to this exchange area, but only 6 are pending with the exchange person. One ticket is not pending with him. If you look at their team ARP exchange, team 1, team 1, team 1. So out of 7 falls, 6 are mapped to this person, one is unassigned. That means it is not yet mapped to this particular person. Okay, so it will not come to his account, it will not be there. So if you look at my tickets, there are 6 tickets are pending. So if you look at the status, assigned, one is in progress, and the remaining 5 are assigned status only. So first the exchange person, what he should do, he should check the link, right? He should check the link whether it is belongs to his exchange or not. If you look at here, there will be 2 icons. One is which will show us the exchange what it is, then next one is address field. So by clicking, he can view what is the exchange and what is the address. If the links belongs to him, he can select the ticket. If you see, there will be 2 tickets. One is MRN, the upper one, that is orange color, that is the Prabal Plus ticket number, and the yellow color is the source ticket number. I told you know the 13 digit. M means MPLS, R means remedy, N2 means northeast 2 circle, 20 is year, 09 month, and 00123. So this is the Prabal Plus ticket number, and the below one is source ticket number. That is, since it is remedy ticket number. If you look at here, VSAT means from VSAT ticketing. S means this is SBI source ticket number. Okay. If you look at here, you can see that what is the link ID, what is the customer name, which circle the link is belongs to, what is the status, and what is the bandwidth and the priority of the link, and WAN IP, and open time, and booked in where it is booked. So if you want to filter, you can filter remedy ticket only. If you want to see, you can filter only remedy. If you want to see only SBI false, you can see the SBI false. Okay, so now I want to view everything. So first I will open one ticket which is in assigned state. First I will take the link, and I assume that this link is belongs to my area. I am the responsible person to attend this fault. First what I have to do, I have to take the status as in progress, then I have to give the reason for pending. It will be very helpful for the management as well as the EB points, EB persons to reply to the customers. Okay, so it will be very useful. So if you look at here, there will be so many reasons. There are different categories are there. It may be an administrative reason, or it may be a CDR unable to close, or it may be a customer issue, or some material is required for you, or the ticket is misassigned. That means this ticket is not belongs to you, or technically not feasible. You cannot solve the problem. Then it is pending due to vendor reason, or if you start working, you can put the work in progress. Okay. So I will show you one report before proceed further. So if you look at the recent pendency report, if you see recent pendency, all the 7 faults is showing as a work in progress because you have not updated any status. Now I will change one status. Okay, I will give the statuses in progress and I will give the feedback. It is a I will mention it is a some other problem. Okay, I will mention this is copper too much lossy or OFC unrepairable. Okay, I will give this reason. Let us see. Then you have to give the work log. OFC completely damaged due to road work, need OFC, new OFC cables. Okay, this is the log I will put and I will update. Fields are updated. If you go on recent pendency report and if you check see, earlier the work in progress was 7. Now if you see, there are one reason TNF, technically not feasible, one case is there. If you open, you can see the link. See, this is the link what we have updated just now. So OFC completely damaged due to road work. Now you have resolved the problem. Now you got some cable and if you want to complete and you can change the status to restored. Okay. Now we are restoring the ticket. Then you have to give the feedback. Feed for outage. What is the reason for outage? This will be helpful for you when the repeat fault comes again for the same link. You can correlate and you can analyze. Okay, the problem is again and again coming because of the these kind of issues. So local lead fault. Then again I will put new logs, new and service restored. Okay, again I will give update. Fields are updated. Okay. So if you see now, there were 7 tickets. Now only 6 tickets are pending. 1 ticket is restored. Okay. So after restoring, if you go to that resolved tickets, see this is the restored ticket. This is the ticket we restored. So AFC completely damaged. Now we received and restored. Right. Once the source ticket is closed, then we will automatically change the status to resolved, and after 2 days the ticket will be moved to the close. Okay, this is the regular process. Okay, I hope you understood. First you have to give the status to in progress, and you have to give the RFP. What is the proper RFP? If you give, it will be very informative to the customer, management, and the EB teams. Okay, after resolving, it will be used. Okay, next one more ticket I will show you. Okay, when this is also State Bank of India, I will put the status. I will open the ticket. I will change the, now it is in progress. I will feed the RFP. It is a RFP. I will put as a customer end fault. I will update. Okay, this is the customer end. Customer confirmation awaited, customer modem faulty, and I am adding the log, customer modem faulty as per customer it will take 24 hours to replace modem. So we can provide the time to restore. Okay, what is the ETR? ETR is expected time to restore is 1 day. If you provide, it will be useful for the circle user. Now I will log out and I will log in as a circle admin.